Hi, this is Ms. Serratis, and in this video, we're going to talk about the MicroChat tutorial. So what this tutorial does is you have to have two people working together, and as long as both of them are set to the same radio channel, one person can send a message directly to the other person, and then that person can reply and also send a message back. So it's pretty cool, but the coding can be a little confusing, so I'm going to walk you through that. So first thing it says to do, and remember, always use the light bulb to help you, is it wants us to pull out the set group and put that in the on start. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so the example has it set to number one. But what you're going to do is, in order to get this assignment done, you need to work with the person beside you. The two of you need to do this together. So both of you need to have the same group number. If everybody in the room uses group number one, then the problem is all the microbits that will be sent to all of them. And you just want to keep it between you and the person you're sitting next to. So pick a number, it doesn't matter what number, as long as both of you have the same number. The next step is it wants you to pull out and unbutton A. So I'm going to go to the input drawer, pull out and unbutton A, and it's telling me to add a radio send string. And so I'm going to pull that one. And here you're going to type your message that you want to send to the other person. So try to be creative. Here in the example, they just did a smiley face. I'm going to do hello. I just encourage you that whoever you're working with, that both of you have something different. One can say hello, and the other one could say hi, or whatever it is that you want to say. Just try to keep them both different. This way, you know when you send hello, it'll show up on their account, on their microbit, and they'll say a different word, and their word will show up on your microbit. It's really cool. It'll make sense when you actually start doing it. Okay, let's go to, so this is the message I'm going to send. So now we need a block so that the other microbit can receive it. So we want to go here and grab this one here. So that's what it said to do. Next, we want the message to show. So I'm going to pull a show string. And what we want to show is actually the message itself. So you're just going to click on it and drag it. That makes a copy of it. And I'm just going to double check. Show string, received string, received string. Perfect. And that's that. And so now what happens is you need to download this code onto your microbit, and the person you're working with needs to download their code on their microbit. Both of you need to have the same radio group number, and you should have different messages. And once they're both downloaded, one of you will press button A, and you'll notice that your message appears on the opposite microbit, and the other person will press button A, and the other microbit will have a different message. So try it out. Make sure you do the video. When you do the video, you only need one video per both of you guys. So just make sure you note in Google Classroom who has the video. Good luck with this one.